Question 19. In the diagram, ABC and ACD and APD are right angled triangles. AB is 4 centimeters, BC is 3 centimeters, and CD is 2 centimeters. Work out the length of DP. So we have to work out the length of DP. So ABC is a right angle triangle, and we have two sides. So first of all, we're going to work out AC. We want to work out AC. So as we've got two sides already, we've got BC and BA, we can use Pythagoras. So it's going to be AC squared is equal to BC, which is 3 squared, plus BA, which is 4 centimeters, so 4 squared. So therefore AC squared is going to be 9 add 16, so 25, and AC is going to be the square root of 25, which is 5 centimeters. So I'm just going to write this on line AC, so 5 centimeters. Now I would like to work out AD, and there's another right angle triangle. Triangle ACD is another right angle triangle, and I've just worked out its base of triangle ACD. And once again, I've got two sides, so I can use Pythagoras again to work out AD. So AD squared, same thing, is equal to 2 squared plus 5 squared. So AD squared is going to be 4 add 25, which is 29, and AD is going to be the square root of 29, which is 5.38516. 5.38516 centimeters. Or we could just call it root 29, will be more accurate. Okay, so DA is root 29, as I've rounded this off. It's not as accurate as root 29. So now we have to work out length DP. How are we going to do that? Let's see. So we've got this length here, and I can see another right angle triangle. DPA is also a right angle triangle, or they call it APD. And what do I need to work out DP? Well, I've got one side, and I can work out DP if I had another side from P. Well, if I had length A to P, but I can't see how you'd work that one out, okay? Because I know A to B is 4 centimeters, but how would you work out from A to P? Well, I could use trigonometry, and if I had this angle here, PAD, that would give me enough information. I have one side and one angle to work out DP. So let's try and work out this angle PAD. So we want to work out the angle PAD. Okay. So I'm going to have to work out angle PAC first. and add that to angle CAD. Okay, and that will give me the total angle of BAD. So we're going to look at the triangle CBA, okay, and we're going to work out this angle here, angle BAC. So we've got two sides. We have the opposites and we have the adjacent. So to work out this angle here, we're going to use the tan ratio. So tan, let's call it angle theta equals opposite over adjacent. So tan angle BAC, we'll just call it theta for now, equals opposite, which is 3 over 4. So therefore angle theta equals tan to the minus 1 inverse tan 3 over 4. So that angle is shift tan 3 over 4, 36.869 degrees. 36.897 degrees. So this is angle BAC. I'll just write that in. Angle BAC is 36.869897 degrees rounded. Okay, so now we've worked out this angle here. We need to work out the angle CAD. So this one here. And once again, we're going to use the same triangle, ACD, and we have all three sides actually. I'm going to use CD and CA, so I can use the tan ratio again. So tan theta, I'll write it out again, tan theta equals opposite over adjacent. This time we're trying to work out this angle here, CAD. So tan CAD equals, the opposite this time is this one here, CD, and this time my adjacent is going to be 5, the length AC. So I'm just going to write adjacent. So 2 and 5. So 2 divided by 5. Same thing again. Theta equals tan to the minus 1, 2 over 5. So therefore theta, and this time we're talking about angle CAD. So I'll write that in as well. Angle CAD is going to be shift tan 21.8014, 21.801409 degrees. So therefore angle BAD is going to be this, add this. So I'll just add those together. Giving us an angle of 58.67130.649 degrees. 58.67. So this angle here is 58.67130649 degrees. Let's have a look at what we've got now. So now, looking at triangle APD, we have one side and one angle. We got one side and one angle, and we want to find the other side here. So we can finish off the question. So I will draw a little diagram this time. So we're looking at angle DPA. So we've got another triangle like that. This is the right angle. This is D. This is P. This is A, I believe. Let me just check that. Yep. Okay. And we have DA as root 29. Okay. And we have this angle here as 58.67130649, and we want to work out DP to finish off that question. Okay, so let's do it then. So DP is going to be the opposite. We have the hypotenuse, and we also have this angle here. So which ratio will we use this time? Opposite and hypotenuse. We're going to use the sine ratio. So sine theta equals opposite over hypotenuse. So sine 58.67 is equal to opposite over hypotenuse, and our hypotenuse is root 29. So therefore we need to times both sides by root 29. So root 29 multiplied by sine 58.67, which I've rounded. We can put more numbers on the end if you want to make it even more accurate, which equals the opposite, which is dp. Okay, so we're going to type that into a calculator. So sine times by root 29 gives us a final answer for dp of 4.59999 centimeters. It doesn't say you have to round it, so work out the length of dp, and we have finally done that. 4.5999 centimeters. Now we could round that if we wanted to as well. So question 19 is worth 5 marks in total, and the first mark is for finding AC or DA. AC or DA, which we've done here using Pythagoras. Okay, AC is 5 and AD is 5.3516. So either one of those using Pythagoras would have been enough to give you the first mark. The second mark is for finding angle BAC. BAC. Okay, using this tan ratio here. So we've done that here. The second mark is for finding the angle DAC. So angle DAC. So this here. And once again, it was the tan ratio that I used. So that angle DAC or CAD, same thing, is 21.801409 degrees. The fourth mark is then for using the sine ratio to work out the length DP using the angle we just found and the hypotenuse. So that's here. And the fifth mark is for a final answer of 4.6, it says in the mark scheme, okay? But anything between 4.59, well, including 4.59 to 4.61, I'll just write that here, 4.59 to 4.61 would have been enough to give you the final answer, the mark for the final answer. So I got 4.5999, so I would have got the final answer. And that's it for question 19.